Well, they like to call the School for Advanced Studies the Dream Factory because it puts the best colleges in reach of kids who came from low-income families.
Here's Ari Odzer with Brag About Your School. It's the last one for this school year.
So this is our last Brag About Your School for the academic year. We may have saved our most unique school for last. All of these kids go to the School for Advanced Studies, 5 campuses and unlimited opportunity.
This is a very demanding program. It really takes a lot of maturity on their part. Not only the academic ability, but also the ability for them to be able to leave their known surrounding and come into a program that is going to challenge them.
Right flame here. SAS is hot right now. U.S. News and World Report ranked it the 26th best high school in the entire country. It only has juniors and seniors, and all of them graduate with an AA degree and a high school diploma.
Depending on the university they transfer to, they have cut 50% of their undergraduate education. So in essence, School for Advanced Studies represents a 2-year scholarship.
Do you have it on PowerPoint?
That's potentially a huge savings for any family, but it takes a special kid to go to SAS, one who's willing to forego traditional high school stuff in favor of taking only college and AP classes. Students who have their eyes on the top universities.
All the way.
This year, SAS is sending graduates to every Ivy League school and more. Here's a sample of seniors in this class.
New York University.
I'm going to FIU. The University of Pennsylvania.
The University of Miami.
The University of Pennsylvania.
I'm a Posse Scholar going to Hamilton College. University of Chicago.
As an educator, these are the kind of students that you want a class full of. These are the kind of students that you come to work and you're like, oh my God, I'm blessed.
You're like in academic heaven.
I'm in academic heaven, yes. I'm in nirvana right now.
Our students are so hardworking. They're always willing to do the very difficult level of work that we assign them. They always want to get ahead.
But it's not just academics here. SAS kids form bonds from being in the same unique program together. They have each other's backs.
We are helping to mold humanitarians and individuals that are going to be change agents in society.
Over the past 3 years, SAS leads all schools in Miami-Dade County in Silver Knight winners, an award based largely on community service. So it's not for everyone. Only driven, brilliant students need apply. In Homestead, Ari Odzer, NBC6 News.